Hello, I'm Samuel, and I'm going to present you the problem set 2 for the web programming with Python and JavaScript course. So, first of all, the models, as we can see, there are the four required models: the user, the auction listing, the bits, and the comments. Okay, so I'm going to go to the web app, and first of all, we're going to create a new listing. We're going to call it Harry Potter book, and the description is just going to be first Harry Potter book, for example. The bid, I don't know, $15. This image, and here we can see the different categories. So this is a book. Submit, and as we can see here, it has been added. And here in the index page, we can see all the different products with all of the details of the products, the description, the title, the bid, the category, and the image. Okay, so if we enter, we can see we are the creator, we can see the details, and we can close the bid. We are going to see that later. For now, I'm gonna log out, and I'm gonna log in with a different user. I'm going to enter here, and now with this user, we can make a bid because we are not the creator. So, for example, I'm going to say $40, but it provides us an error because it's less than the starting bid. So I'm going to say, okay, so how about $60? Now I've done a bid of $60. It is shown here, and other thing that we can. Okay, so we are gonna log out, and I'm going to log in with again a different user, and I'm going to place a different bid. If I say 55, again, error. So I'm going to say, okay, $65. The greatest bid is now $65. And I'm going to make a comment. So I'm going to give it a rating of 5 stars. And I'm going to say, perfect product. Comment. And here we can see the product. I'm going to make another one. 1 star. Horrible. Wouldn't recommend. Comment, and here we can see the 2 comments posted by this user, but they could be different users. Of course, here the average, the stars, the comment, and we can make more comments. Now I'm going to enter as Samuel. Someone created this bid. I'm going to say, okay, $65, it's enough. I'm going to close the bid. You have already closed the bid. The winner was this username because it was the one who bid it the most. And if we enter with that user, we can see, congratulations, you have won this bid. If we enter with another user, we can see this bid has already been closed. The winner was this user. Okay, and the comments have been closed. Then the next feature is that we can add some products to our watch list. So I'm going to say, I'm going to add the guitar to my watch list. I'm going to also add this Harry Potter book. I'm going to go to the watch list, and here we can see the 2 products. And I'm going to say, you know what, I don't want the guitar in my watch list. Delete, and of course it has been deleted. And finally, the last feature is the categories. Here in categories, we can see all the different categories, and if we enter one, we see the products that fit into that category. So instrument, whatever. And if we enter in electronic, we are not going to see anything, even though the Raspberry Pi was in electronic, but because it has been closed, it isn't shown here. Finally, I'm going to go to the admin, and okay, I'm going to log in, and here we can see all the different models with the different data. Okay, and that was all. That was my problem set 2 for the web programming with Python and JavaScript course.